Alright, so for this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fill out this little chart right here. So to begin, we're going to find a house, and we just use Realtor.com right here. I looked for a decent house for a decent price. So for the sake of this video, we're going to use this one as an example. So we're going to go ahead and put this price right here into our chart in both of these locations. Next, for this next section right here, we're going to need to use a mortgage calculator in order to fill out all this information. So in order to figure out the mortgage or monthly mortgage payment, we're going to go over here and we're going to put in the price of the house, which is right here. We're going to put the mortgage term for the first column at 30 years. The property tax, we put 10% of the purchase price right here. And how we got the property insurance number, we have to go to a property tax estimator. We put in half the value of the home right here. We selected the county, the city right here, township, and the school district, and it gave us the estimated property tax. So that's where we got that number from. Over here. And then everything else looks good in here, so we're going to go ahead and calculate. And it gives us our total monthly payment, but we're also going to need to look at a few other things. So we're going to put our total monthly payment right here. We're going to put the principal and interest, our property tax, and property insurance, which looks like we have these two switched. And for the total cost, we're actually going to go back to our 30-year mortgage page right here. And column H gives us the total price at the bottom. So that number goes right here. Now for the 15-year A, we're going to have the same purchase price, but only the age that I can afford it is going to change. So we're going to go ahead and put this at 15 years. Calculate. Now you can see here that the total monthly payment really skyrockets here because we're paying it off over a shorter amount of time. So we're going to go ahead and put all of our information in here. Let me check this. Okay, that looks good. And then we're going to go over to our 15-year mortgage here to the bottom, and here's our total price of the home. Perfect. So for 15-year B, what we're going to do is we're going to keep this at 15 years, but we're going to have to find a house that we can afford at age 26 and only be using a 15-year mortgage. So with all that work that I did, we're going to have to go back and find a home here for a little bit less. So we're going to have to find a mortgage monthly payment of $426 roughly, but no more. So let's see. We're going to have to go back and look for a new house.